Hello. Nice to meet you, Dan.
Jessica.
Okay, Dan, nice to meet you. Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna start working. We also have a 50% off for a second one. Do you want one or two? Okay, cool.
A few moments later.
Hey, by the way, I do that for social media. That will be okay?
Sure.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So this is the business card. Just give us a call anytime.
That's what you're the only one that would be able to do it.
Yeah, it's need kind of a dealer software. Okay, you just need to tap it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. I
And
appreciate
you
it.
take care.